Hey guys, it's me again, Charlene, and welcome back to my channel.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the old days. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell.
It's good to be back, guys, after a few months of being busy. Busy doing what? Well, actually, I've been very busy lately helping my husband to manage our small business. Alam niyo na, after the lockdown, ubus-ubus ang ipon natin. We stayed at home for more than 3 months and no income. So, now we need to work hard again to sustain our necessities and for the kids. Kaya, kailangan magsipag-sipag ulit. So, that's the reason why hindi na ako nakapag-upload ng videos lately because I'm always outside working with my husband. I need to take good care of so many things and see to it that everything is going fine. Aside from that, we always went home late and wake up early in the morning and then go back to the shop again. So that consumes my time so much. But no worries, I am not done. I just get busy and I am here again to give you an update and to continue my purpose of having this channel. And that is my passion to inspire others by sharing my knowledge and experiences, and my passion to help others discover new opportunities. So, if you are just new here on my channel and you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, do it now and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. At paniguradong may matututunan ka. Dahil dito, nag-a-upload ako ng mga tips and ideas on how to earn extra money online, business ideas, lifestyle, new opportunities, app tutorials, and many more. Okay, going back to what I've said earlier. So, ayun nga guys, naging busy talaga ako. Ang dami kong inasikaso at kailangan ng kumita ng pera dahil ang daming bayarin. Alam niyo na. At this week lang talaga ako nakahinga sa sobrang busy. And now, I'm able to manage my time na work, vlog, and kids. So, multitasking tayo. That's the essence of being a woman. We can do everything. We can work, we can earn a living, we can take good care of our kids, and we can take good care of ourselves as well. So, ngayon, ano-ano ang mga dapat yung abangan dito sa channel ko? In fact, marami guys. Marami tayong naka-line up. More on app tutorials, business ideas, and some inspiring tips. And all of this will really help you and will give you some ideas on how to earn extra money online while staying at home, sitting on your couch, or even while you sleep. And not only that, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng pag-giveaways, and that's very exciting. I will formally announce the mechanics guys sa isa sa mga upcoming videos ko. So, watch out for that. So, that's it for today and I'm happy to be back and I'm so excited to do more helpful videos for you guys. And by the way, if you have any video suggestions or any topic for me to talk about or any questions, just comment below and I'll make sure to read all of them and I'll make sure to respond to any of your questions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching and see you again next time. Always remember, whatever your aim in life, your passion will always define your purpose.